Speak my mind, people. What's up? What's up? What's up? The one your name out of the press. Take name out of the press. Out of the press. The one your name out of the press. Me do in a no shirt because it out of the press. Me say it out of the press. Me not in a no shirt because it out of the press. It name out of the press. It name out of people. No sir. People. Me just come in because me have to wake up from. Before me do anything, wanna subscribe yet? If you're not subscribed, subscribe now. And if you're subscribed already, hit the thumbs up now. And remember, if you watch it ads, me not come to stay long. Me just go to something at half of the press. So basically, you can run, go follow it and know what is what. Because some things I say right now, people, where me not really think me I gonna bring that on my platform. But I really want to play it for to hear it. But me not think me can bring it on my platform. Me not look with YouTube. So me I make sure come out here now and tell you now. Right now, go and go follow 13 Facebook page. Uno run go follow Facebook page, 13 Facebook page if you don't follow it yet. Cause that one your name after for the press. It name after for the press. Me no in a no shirt to know it after for the press. People, I wake up this morning 5:30 if my brother go airport. Just come back in, eat a breakfast. I do a little road vlog going to the airport and sightseeing and little reasoning, you know, with myself and Uno while going. And me just upload the video. So I say, alright, me I go sleep now. So I say, alright, me I go and run through social media till the eye them start burn me. When me go so boom, me dead. As a matter of fact, just as the video if it done upload, me stroll and me say Chin put up something about the airport, the little piece of tail of the plane where them removed from the airport camp. Me go out there this morning and me say, you know, a little thing I go on where the roundabout is concerned and the wing move, tail move. So me say Chin put up something about a couple hours ago. And me didn't know a comment pan Chin thing and I said, Chin, why? You know, so me just come from the airport and me just say, them remove the last piece of thing and thing, but me did hear like them say them gonna put up some form of monument or something there. I don't quite remember because me did hear it for a while now. Anyway, me comment pan Chin thing and me go along and me share it on my platform and me go along and me did it. While me did it, the same phone now, me see where me upload the video pan and it don't upload me here. When me look at 13 pop up the live. So me go so boom now and me start watch 13. Only if you hear 13 a galang bad. People, it not normal. One at a time I tempted to go up on a comment and say 13, protect your page. Anything you gonna say it in a more parables. We will all understand you. Protect your page. Because you don't want to say certain things and then you're gonna lose your page. You understand? Because by then now, you might not have no page now if you come, you know, vice your grows and the next person now gonna allow you upon for them page. But me say, you know what? Loud woman, yeah, man. Lower, no go in our comment go say nothing because to 13 a go on our head and a chip that chip. And mash that mash. That are not chip. And me say she talk some things about who, if the it she talk about, you know, when people, the it. You don't know who is the it? Alright. When somebody down at one parish next door, St. Mary. You don't know the parish of the next door, St. Mary. I mean, I talk, well, St. Thomas. So this next door, St. Mary, because you have to pass St. Thomas, the bar that St. Thomas and Portland, they're more near. Yes, so I know St. Mary, me I talk, so I don't know, me I talk. And me I telling the people, some swear with me here 13 go on with. Me can't believe. The woman say, she hear say, the it say she gonna put up her picture over TikTok for $100. Say, he must thief phone a Curacao. And it mash up 13 head. Cause 13 hear it, she say, and as she said she hear it, but she had dare her to do it. Because she know she have fly come to Jamaica. And you know what them do with foul head? But I don't think a ring that a ring like clothes. You know like where them do it aged and goated and cow head? You know when you take the machete and you chop out the yard, the bush. Yes, man. Sometimes the man them then chop out the yard, you know. Them just chop off the head of the grass. Them go down in the root so they grow back quick. But 13 said she go down in the root. Yes, man, and she put it in a bag and carry it go to the pow. And me have to protect my page, you know. Yes, man. And me not lie. She sound serious to me. And when me say 13 sound serious, she really sound serious. Because you hear the tone of voice a change. And you know, it's like the more she up on the live attack and she a picture where gonna happen. It's like the anger there and the disgust they start growing her now. And she start talk. And somebody go comment something and make 13 go in a different gear again. But people, if I ever tell you what happened in a few seconds, few minutes later, but before me tell you what happened in a few minutes later, because I said that when you're hot off of the press, me need you to hit the thumbs up now. Me I go in a minute to hit the thumbs up. Me now say nothing, me a silent before me tell you what happened off of the press. Me I make sure you see sun shine right in for me. And me done come out hot off of the press already. And sun shine for me, hot for me body. Look how me look good. Look there. 50 whole heap a year old. Look how him look good. Look there. Come Thursday, Friday, which is the 5th of January. Me even looking better at age going up. Okay. We're not coming down. Look how boy look good. Female age. 50 whole heap and look on him. And him not shave yet. I told them I go shave people. Because the barber did gone out yesterday. So today me I go visit him and so me I go look even better. Wanna done hit the like button yet? Me I wait for you know just 10 minutes what I want like a video me I go you know. And a 7 minutes you don't make me gone and me not tell you what I go on yet. What I'm doing man? Like, share and subscribe to the channel. If you have not yet hit the subscription button, go ahead and hit it no. Please, you don't know what here I go on. I send you got the places to go here where I go on because me not bring it. Me really don't want to bring it because it'll be a good content for me. Because guess what? It'll be good content for me now. Most of you now go elsewhere. You have on a platform you know say, well, we will jump the fence them and get the crab up from the razor wire them and go through the fence them and the whole zinc them cut way. A good thing me not diabetic and all them so they jump some tall wall and when me drop down. Me woo be a dover man and pit bull rush me have to fly up back from a wall, spring up like Superman. You know? And sometimes I forgot to carry my sardine so if a dog rush me, me can throw one thing and make me escape. So most of them like to see me carry it come, but people me can't carry it. So you say if you don't want to hear it, run go and go follow 13 page. Go follow 13 Facebook page. I don't know we hear I go on because right now somebody come in the comment and go tell 30. Hold on, I still want to see the thumbs up them. Hold on, me now tell you what somebody come in the comment come tell 13 say me want to see the thumbs up them. Me I wait another half a minute again. At 10 minutes what a video me I go now me gonna hate. So after a minute more I see a thumbs up them. So much only can watch a video and me not see. I'm there see 20 thumbs up yet. Come on man. You don't want to hear a 13 here in the comment. I'm sit down there. Turn me back go now here. I will turn me back go now you know. I will turn me back go now hot off of the press and I get. And the first one I get this time speak me mind entertainment. Hot off of the press. I send me go look where I go on and follow where I go on. I wear where I go on because remember, I am not going to bring all of those things when me hear I go on. Because me have to protect my page, my channel. Alright? Alright, let me tell you where I go on now. Remember, do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Remember, continue to support the backup channel. Life is a Mission TV. Alright? I understand. So, I get to understand when I'm going on my analytic yesterday that I'm not watching the ads. You know, skip the ads them. You understand? It has been shown in my analytic of my channel. We never know, so we can see we are going as platform where we are going, we can point to know, but we can see what we not do from what we not do. And we not watch the ads them. Me see it. Alright. Anyway, me now hold on suspense no more. People, somebody go write in the comment, cause after 13 the pan fear page say, any day you ready, just go over TikTok and put up me pick the picture. And me pick them there rampid. No rampid me pick them. Rampid me and do any other ramp rough. But no rampid me pick them. I will take half you. Not your clothes yo. And walk with it go give pow pow. And it's like the land somebody they don't have potty. Like she dey on the live. And she run go fly up for her live. And like somebody say she go live and go over there. And people, if I no want make it start, if you're not pop off, say if I no want make it start, if you no not, somebody go comment and go tell 13 say, she over there show the picture, her son. I show one picture, say a 13 son. I don't know. But people, me want to carry it at off of the press. So 13 jump off of your life now and say, hold on. Make her deal with something there. Make her start make preparation. So it look like 13 run gonna pack her bag. If you come to Jamaica. Because basically 13 serious. Because if 13 go over there and go see that the news there. Where the woman bring come, say our son for two, and the little youth want. No, you could youth, big youth though, cause but him want favor 13 for two. So more likely I don't know 13 son, but based on the picture I see, it want look like somebody want favor 13 for two. Cause him have whole heap of body and him face, you know, kind of look like 13. And she says, see the boy ya, we are thief phone a curacao, see him ya. And she said, oh now round the full of big chat. Alright, me not come to stay long, and that's so she go on her live. Me not come, me not show no. See it, me not show no them just full of big chat. See the boy, you're a thief, phone, a curacao, see him ya, and she go on. So people, me couldn't wait for say 13 and come back. She end up come off a fear live now, cause she only come to prove a point. You see, sometimes we can't keep down things. We don't have to prove nothing to nobody. Despite 13 come out on her live and she has say all what she has say. She never have to come out on fear platform come show if a 13 son for true, I don't know. But she never have to come on her platform come do what she do. She could have keep calm same way. Coward man keeps sound bone. From me I grow me hear that. She never have to come out come do what she do. So she feel fit to do what she want to do, you know what me I say. She never have to do it. So that is like prove. She want to prove, say, alright, 13 a chat. But what about if 13 is determined to fulfill what she promised on the platform? And 3, 4, 5, 6 days after, we hear it really happen. Well, she can't say she salt if it happen. Because she wouldn't know say it happen. You understand? She wouldn't know say it happen, so she couldn't be the one to say she salt. But there's a lot of we go and say, boy, she salt bad. Because she never come out, come show the picture. Wait. Not saying, you know. It is one-sided, you know. Because them say never you sure nobody. Because the man where you take with him things night and day. One day might just surprise you. But what I'm saying, it never have to reach a stage. And this is when I say my people, every day I preach this on social media. We don't need this in a social media. We don't need no physical confrontation. We don't need no violence. If you have a little cuss and disagreement in a social media, make it stay in a social media. Leave people pitney out of the thing. Leave sickness out of the thing. But at the same time, as we say, you can't want people leave your sickness and your parents and your pitney sickness out of the thing. When you come out here cuss other people pitney and cuss other people parents about sickness. It is unfair for somebody cuts you back. But in general, I am asking the people them please to leave violence out of social media, little cascas. Cause it says a soap opera you watch on TV. And all I want a star. Someone who might be falling star, someone who might be steady star, some might, me don't know, someone who might be some starfish. But leave the violence out of it. Leave people picking out of it. Leave sickness in cussing people about them sickness out of it. As me say, maybe cuss about your sickness. If me see you come out and cuss other people, or me tell you about you and if you have one, and go on like you want to cuss people about for them one. You understand? And you can't hide behind the train and cuss people picnic. I don't want your one get cussed. So all me ask the people them for to leave picnic out of it, leave violence and sickness out of the thing. Do anything else. But me have them three there below the belt. Sickness, as a matter of fact, sickness, people family and a whole, picnic and violence. Them force something there. Leave it out of social media. But don't expect say you're gonna come at people with all those four things. And don't expect say people are come back at you. Anyway, people, me gone. Me gone. Me gonna upload this right now and send it come go now. So me gone. Cause me gonna look where I go with 13, you know. Because me know 13 head, if I fear she gonna look on her fear son. Probably at the flight she gonna book immediately. Because she jump off of the live instant because she were telling the person, say, screenshot it, send, come give me, screenshot it, send, come give me. And it's like it'll take too long for come 13, jump off of the live and say she gonna start make her preparation. So I don't know if I call 13 gonna call one travel agent to book her ticket, or she gonna look first to see if her son, and then she book a ticket and start pack her little carry on them. So people wanna run go over 13. Keep her breast away going because I don't think I'm going to bring it come because the temper and the upness where she have and the words them she use, them they against YouTube guideline and me not carry it. Me not carry it. So go over Facebook. I don't know if Facebook allow it, but go over Facebook, I not carry it. Alright? So remember, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Me and my case run go away. Because me no want to miss me. Me want to go see what 13 I go on before me drop asleep. So here with my people, when me case, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And remember to hit the thumbs up and hit the video. And please to watch the ads. And remember the young entrepreneur college student life of our YouTube channel is in the comment section. Please go over there and give her a subscription. Me gone. Please and thanks. Watch the ads.